Hi, my name's Darren and I'm the commercial and EV trainer here for Exeter College. We've recently required some equipment to run for our electric vehicle training equipment. We chose Bott purely because of the quality of their product. We ordered the cubio workbench range here because very robust. On top of the bench at the moment I've got two high voltage batteries out of a hybrid vehicle, and the good thing about the mobile bench is you can move it to the place you need it to go. The quality of the product just speaks for itself. Also, there's ample storage inside the drawers. We use all of the storage units because some of the equipment here is one, very heavy, two, very expensive. So we try to keep it as clean and tidy as we possibly can. The cubio mobile workbenches are especially good because when you have a teacher teaching, you can have multiple candidates and students around the bench so they can see what's going on. The accessibility is excellent. Also, because they're on wheels and they are mobile, we can move the bench to the area in the workshop that we want the bench to be. So here we have the cubio static benches. These are very good for us because we can use the storage spaces on this. The shelving's very good. The louvered back panels are good for putting storage bins on. This particular bench here we use for high voltage electric vehicle training. We can keep this stored safely and securely because some of these vehicles do work on very high voltages, and we have to make the student experience as best as we can and as safe as we can. The best thing about the Bott product is its robustness, its ease of use, it's very strong and safe to use, and overall the quality of the product. In my opinion, I would recommend a Bott product to any establishment at all, be it a workshop or an educational establishment, to use these products as they are just fit for purpose and really good to do the job.